Hi, it's Lynette here. Thank you for joining me again, and today I've got another Makeup Revolution haul. The delivery this time was actually much quicker. I think it arrived in a couple of days, to be honest with you. So, forgotten what I've ordered. I'm just going to rip this open and always so well packaged, these things. Oh, I'm just going to pull it out bit by bit. Oh, again, I've got my You Are the Revolution, Lynette. So you've got your special offers in there. And it tells me what I've ordered. And it gives me certain special deals. And it's talking about this Glow Face and Body Collection, which I don't think I've got any yet. I say yet, I might still have time to buy some. So anyway, I'm just going to go through. I'm just going to show you what I got. So they were doing an offer that if you spent over £35, you also got this little kitty bag. So it's a mystery bag. So I'm going to go through what I've got first and then we'll open the mystery bag. So first of all, I got this gorgeous Revolution, and it's the highlighter Reloaded, just my type. So I'll swatch that for you. It's got some tape covering it. Always tape covering it, eh? If I could work out how to open it, that would be great. It's cracked. Ah, it's cracked. That's not so great. I thought it was tape, but it's actually cracked. So I don't know how I'm going to get this open. It's definitely a click. It's taped to the side, right? Tape to the side off. That might make things easier. But today it's been absolutely gorgeous, by the way. I spent it all inside, working. And to be honest with you, I didn't even get out my jammies until this parcel arrived. I thought I'd better jump in a shower, put some makeup on and come and film. Oh, look at that. That's absolutely gorgeous. Highlighter Reloaded. And there we go. Can you see that there? Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Oh, I'm happy with that one. So there we go. So that's a highlighter Reloaded and just my type. Woohoo! I love a wee haul. So this next one is something different I've never tried before. I Heart Revolution Coconut Baking Powder. There we go. Comes in this. Now, I've never baked in my life. So I don't know why. Well, I've baked cake. But I've never baked makeup before. It's scented baking powder. I love coconut. That's probably what appealed to me. I could just use it as a setting powder, can't I? So it comes in this tub. Now this is only like about £4 or £5. Same with the highlighter. Oh, it's got a little puff. That is so cute. It's got the little puff here to pop it on, and it's got this kind of plasticky bit that stops it all coming out. So you take that out. I just want to see if I can smell it, if it does actually smell like oh wow. So you don't take that bit out, right? What you do is you take that plastic bit off and then it comes out. So oh, it smells amazing. So yeah, don't take that bit out, just take the plastic bit off, and then your wee puff sits on top of it and you kind of puff it onto your face, which is all I would do actually. I wouldn't be using it to bake because I don't know how to bake, but this appealed to me and it helped make up my money to the £35 if I'm completely honest with you. So these next 3 items that I've got in here, I'm so excited about. So the first one is the Just Peach, and it's the mini I Heart Revolution Peach palette. It's so cute. And I will do separate swatching videos for these, just so this one doesn't end up too long for you. I always end up ruining my nails opening these things as well. Now, I got the big size peach palette and it's got this detail on it. It's so cute. I absolutely love it. Tasty peach. And inside, oh, it's stunning. Look at that. I'll compare it to the larger palette to see what kind of colours are similar. I was just smelling to see if it smelled like peach. I know that's weird. So I will swatch that in another video. Again, it's got lots of, it's got 3 mattes and kind of 5 shimmery ones. There we go. I'll do a wee swatch video for that, so you can see all the different colours, but I won't do it just now. So that's gorgeous. And I've also got the Revolution Black Ice Shadow Palette. Now look at that packaging, isn't it stunning? I love the holographic details on the packaging. And look at the design of that. Is that not absolutely gorgeous? I think it's one of my favourite designs on their packaging. Really nice. They're actually really going for it, aren't they, from the plain boring ones they used to have. So this is called Black Ice. Is there any tape? Yep, there's a little bit of tape on this one. You don't always get tape on the palettes. But just to knacker up my nails, there's tape on this one. I'm just going to untape that, stick it down here and open it for you. Oh wow. These are gorgeous. Look at the colours. Absolutely stunning. There's 15 colours in here, and there's a mixture of matte and shimmers. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Sometimes it tells you which, if there's anything different. Pressed pigment. So some of them are pressed pigments, which I think is different to shimmers. So anyway, I will definitely do a video for you and let you see what these look like. Just look at the packaging though. How exciting is that packaging? And what they've started to do as well, which I've noticed, is on the packaging they put the colours, and that might mean that when you're in Superdrug or whatever, you don't actually have to open, or you know how they usually have one palette. That might, you know, if that one's not there, it means you can just look at the front. So this next one's called Glass Mirror, and look at that. Just, that is absolutely stunning. Honestly, I think this has to be my favourite packaging on any palette. I mean, the back as well is just stunning. So again, for some reason, on these palettes they've got tape, which is a shame because it's ruining the shine on the back with a sticky bit. Although I think WD-40 gets rid of those sticky bits, doesn't it? I bought a mirror one, no, I didn't buy a mirror. I bought a bucket one day, like a little bin for the bathroom, and there was this whacking great sticker on it, and I thought, I'll just be able to pick it off. No, it was coming off in bits and bits, and I thought it was a chrome bin. So Steve got the WD-40 out and managed to take it off, but I thought, why would they do that? Oh, look at the colours in here. Again, it's got the full-size mirror inside, but look at those shades. They are absolutely stunning. Now, I am excited to try these. And the pinks and blues, absolutely beautiful colours. And there's so many different looks as well that you could do with these. Or you could just pick one colour and put it on your eyelids. You know, it doesn't always have to be 4 or 5 colours. Or just pick a colour that you like and just put it on. I don't think it has to be any more difficult than that, to be honest with you. So I've got the Glass Mirror, I've got the Black Ice, which the packaging are gorgeous. I've got the Mini Peach palette, I've got the Coconut Baking Powder, and I've got this absolutely stunning Revolution highlighter. So the rest of these 3 palettes, I'll do little videos for you just to let you see the swatches for them individually. Otherwise this video becomes massive. And the thing I think we're all waiting to see is the mystery bag. Now, I cannot wait to see it, and it's actually quite good that you don't need scissors or anything. You can actually reuse this bag. It's got those little clicky bits that clip together. How sad am I? Right, so I've not got a clue. I haven't seen anybody else open these before, and I'm quite excited. Of course, if it's something that I don't have, I'm happy. If it's something that I have, I'll pop it in a giveaway. Trying to get the bubble wrap off. I'm trying not to peek. There's loads. This is such a treat, by the way. This is amazing. They've not had one for a while and they have not disappointed with this. I am blown away. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 items in my mystery bag. So the first one is this stippling brush. Now I absolutely love, I've got a MAC stippling brush that I use for foundation. It comes in this little tube as well. So I absolutely love my stippling brush. So there we go. It's not as stiff. Throw it away. It's not as stiff as my stippling brush that I've got. But there we go. That's it. That'd actually be quite nice for your blusher and things, or you know, or your foundation, or stippling. So that's the first item. This is like Christmas, these boxes, by the way. I don't even know what these other things are. So the next item is Unicorn, I Heart Revolution Unicorn Makeup Pigment Palette. Look at that. I don't own this one. And oh look, each of the palettes have actually got little unicorns on them. Oh, I'm so pleased. Sorry. I saw this. They were like, oh, the mystery bag is back. And I was just like, click. What do I buy? I think I might start buying more skincare from Revolution, to be honest with you. I think I've got enough palettes. But these are the colours of the Unicorn, I Heart Revolution Unicorn palette. How gorgeous are these? And look at the little unicorns. Oh. It'd make a lovely little stocking filler as well for somebody, that. And by somebody, I mean a certain 5-year-old. I'll probably have a play with it. I think her mum will kill me if I give her any more makeup. She's got more makeup than her mum, Freya. So the next one is this Lipstick Revolution Pro, and it's in the colour Venture. Supreme Lipstick Venture. I think that's the colour. Now, if it's not my shade, I won't swatch it, because I prefer to give things away to somebody than swatching it. So yeah, that's too dark for me, but it's gorgeous, isn't it? And it's got Pro on the, you can't, I don't know if you can see that embossed. And that's lovely. Next item, I'm keeping the last one for last. I'm keeping the last one last. Is the Jelly Highlighter Monumental. Look at the packaging on that. Isn't it stunning? So it's protected by some tape. But look at the packaging. Isn't that amazing? Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm going to take the, it's got more, oh, wow. I've never tried a jelly highlighter before, but that's it there. I don't think I've tried a jelly highlighter before. I'm just going to use what was on this on the back of my hand. Wow. There we go. You can't really see it in this light, but it's lovely. I think you could make it quite subtle, or you could, you know, you could really go for it with this one. But this is a case of last, and by certainly no means least, it's the I Heart Revolution Golden Bar. Look at that. You know how much I love the chocolate bars. So look at the packaging. Absolutely stunning. Honestly, although the glass packaging is one of your favourite. This used to be. Oh my goodness. It's got the little double-ended sponge applicator, a full-length mirror, but look at these colours. So let me know if you want to see me swatching all these palettes for you. I can do these ones all in one video actually, but I am blown away. The shades, colour shades are on the plastic, which they're kind of getting a bit better about putting the colours on the packaging, but no, I'm blown away with this. These are colours that I will use every day, unlike some palettes that I own. I only really use them for videos or doing makeup looks. I wouldn't go to the shops in some of the colours or some of the looks that I've created. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're going to pop on and get a mystery bag as well. They do lots of skincare and stuff. You don't need to do what I did and buy hundreds of palettes that you don't really need anyway. So I'll speak to you soon guys. Bye.